Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we checked out the individual letters in the Hungarian alphabet, all of them. In this video, we're only going to focus on the actual real Hungarian letters, which might be pronounced differently than in other languages. So, in this video, we will look at how individual letters work in different words in Hungarian. An important thing that I have to mention is that in Hungarian, we pronounce everything in the same way as we write them. What does that mean? It means that an individual letter, it will never change its sound depending on where it's found in the word, what letter comes before or after it. The A will always stay A. So let's listen to it. A. Alma. Alma. Anya. Anya. Apa. Apa. Easy, isn't it? So the next letter is A. As you can notice, the A has an accent on top. In Hungarian, we can have accented letters, but only accented vowels, never consonants. So B, C, T, Z, whatever, they will never have accents, but only vowels. So let's listen to it. A. Árvíz. Árvíz. Barát. Barát. Ház. Ház. B. Barack. Barack. Ember. Ember. Rab. Rab. You can already hear how we have a really strong R sound, but we will get to that at the actual R letter in Hungarian, okay? The next letter is T. Cél. Cél. Harc. Harc. Cica. Cica. Cs. Család. Család. Kacsa. Kacsa. Csont. Csont. D. Doboz. Doboz. Kád. Kád. Doktor. Doktor. I think you can already notice by now that Hungarian doesn't have a big intonation like other languages. Like for Italian, for example, you kind of have to put a stress on one side of the word or the other. So like mangi bello, right? It has a nice wavy sound. In Hungarian, that doesn't really exist. However, when you have accented vowels, you kind of elongate that sound. So like kad, right? So it kind of makes a little hill, the word kad. But in reality, it's more so the actual pronunciation of the letter A, okay? E. Eper. Eper. Kilenc. Kilenc. Telefon. Telefon. É. Egér. Egér. Kerék. Kerék. Kék. Kék. F. Fog. Fog. Fa. Fa. Férfi. Férfi. G. Gomba. Gomba. Nadrág. Nadrág. Garázs. Garázs. Gy. Gyár. Gyár. Angyal. Angyal. Ágy. Ágy. So these double-digit consonants, they might seem a little tricky at first, but to be honest, whenever you see the letter Y, which we call Y in Hungarian, whenever you see that in the middle of the word, it always means that the letter before it the letter before it and Y, they come together and they form one letter, one sound. So in Hungarian, even if a letter is a double-digit letter, it will still only make one sound. And that one sound, again, it will always be pronounced in the exact same way. H, hét, hét. Hónap, hónap. Tehén, tehén. Igen, igen. Kocsi, kocsi. Virág, virág. Ír, ír. Híd, híd. Sí, sí. Játék, játék. Tojás, tojás. Hajó, hajó. The letter Y in Hungarian, you will notice that we have another letter that sounds very similar to it. It's not just similar, but it's the exact same sound, okay? The other one exists for historical reasons, I think. In reality, when you hear a word, you will not be able to hear the difference between this Y and the other Y, okay? So don't worry about it. Katona, katona. Kettő, kettő. Pékség, pékség. Hal, hal. Lila, lila. Labda, labda. This one is the other Y I was talking about. It's the exact same thing. But again, when you see this in a word and you see that it has an Y, the letter Y at the end of it, you will know that you have to pronounce it with the other letter. So they make up one letter together, okay? Király, király. Folyó, folyó. Lyuk, lyuk. So as you can hear, exact same sound. Madár, madár. Hamburger, hamburger. Not the most Hungarian word. I guess it might have a difference compared to burger. So actually this means a problem for many people because Hungarians tend to Hungarianize the international words. So we pronounce it as hamburger. Sam, Sam. Kanál, kanál. Négy, négy. Nap, nap. Again, the letter Y comes back, so this will be pronounced as ny. Nyak, nyak. Actually, even very similar to the English word neck when you say it out loud. Lány, lány. Nyelv, nyelv. Angol, angol. Hold, hold. Opera, opera. You see we have a bunch of O's. Ló, ló. Vasaló, vasaló. Óra, óra. But they're not actually O's, they're different sounds. So the last two was O and O, this one is Föld, föld. Öt, öt. Öv, öv. Bőr, bőr. Őz, őz. Erdő, erdő. Pohár, pohár. Káposzta, káposzta. Fénykép, fénykép. R, and here's the strongly pronounced R in Hungarian. Rock, rock. Orr, orr. Répa, répa. Sor, sor. Táska, táska. Mosógép, mosógép. Now this one is the S. So whenever you see the S in Hungarian, so ash, coming together with the Z, they will make up one sound, S. So it's kind of the exact opposite of English, because in English, I guess the double digit ash is like S, H, right? Like in shake, shoot, and that makes up a sh sound. And then the single digit one, S, is pronounced as S, which is the exact opposite of Hungarian. So, S, szék, szék. Szatyor, szatyor. Tavasz, tavasz. Tető, tető. Asztal, asztal. Tenger, tenger. Kutya, kutya. Kártya, kártya. Kátyú, kátyú. Új, új. Kulcs, kulcs. Autó, autó. Again, bunch of U letters, but in reality, again, different sounds of the letter, okay? Just look similar. Tyúk, tyúk. Nyúl, nyúl. Fiú, fiú. Third U, which is ü, ü. Tükör, tükör. Fül, fül. Szemüveg, szemüveg. Longest Ü is ő, tűz, tűz. Cipőfűző, cipőfűző. Tű, tű. V, vér, vér. Vár, vár. Kaviár, kaviár. Zászló. The Hungarian Z is really like a B, okay? Like you have to make it buzz, okay? Like Z, okay? Zászló. Lazac, lazac. Kalóz, kalóz. And then there's the Hungarian Z sound. A lot of people confuse it with S when they read it. You have to learn it. There is no way around it. Okay? Z. Very French sounding. Zsemle, zsemle. Zseb, zseb. Giraffe, giraffe. And that's the end of the Hungarian alphabet. The actual Hungarian alphabet. In the next video, I will make a list of all the vocabulary, because these are pretty useful words that I put in here. These are animals, foods, parts of body, whatever. So it's good to learn them, and then see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.